YouTube. So I received this little box about 2 days ago. I just wanted to show you guys how many bubble wraps I received. A bunch of bubble wraps, but this special item. The perfect derma pill. So it comes in the bag with, I took out the it comes with this little medicine cup, a 2x2 sterile gauze, and the pill. I opened this already. I opened everything already. Like this box, the instruction packet was also in this box. Took it out already. Highlighted, because I don't have time to be going back reading the whole thing over and over. But yeah, I highlighted all the important parts for me that I want to pay attention to. And after the chemical pill, you get, this is what was in a box. You get 2 towelettes that you're supposed to use the first time after when you wash your face. You're not supposed to wash your face until when you put on the chemical pill. You leave it on for at least 6 hours without touching, washing, doing anything to it. If your face is not irritated according to the instructions, you can leave it on longer, overnight. You can leave it overnight for a deeper peel. And then in the morning, you're gonna wash your face and you can use a towelette for like 30 minutes. And yeah, if you wanna, so the this post-peel moisturizer, you're not supposed to use it until you start peeling, if you can. If you're not irritated, or if you're not too dry and stuff. But if you are, you can use it. I'm gonna try not to use it. I'm gonna try to get literally the perfect pill. So yeah, let's see how this goes. My face is washed already. I'm gonna put on gloves. I'm so scared. I really didn't want to use any product that will cause me downtime, but I really just want to be done with this, with all this hyperpigmentation already. All the products I've been reviewing with you guys and showing you guys, I do believe most of them works. The only thing I have like the worst scarring, so I feel like I need something more intense to get rid of it, and then after that it'll be more useful to use the other products. Oh, I don't even know how to open this. Great. Look, I took off this lid, and now this one, it have like a little opening here, a cutout, but I don't even know. Okay, I opened it already. Just like soda, when you open it, makes that sound. This one did the same thing. Ooh. So I did my research already, and they said it is safe to put under the eyes and the eyelids, but don't put more than 2 layers. And the neck also, with the chest. You can put it anywhere, but just be careful. If you see a frost, if your skin starts to frost, don't use it over that area again. It's a sign of damage to your skin. Oh no going back, God. Strong. The smell. It does burn. So I read somewhere where you have to actually apply it with a little bit of pressure because you want that pill to go in deep, the first layer at least. I don't like this smell, okay? Like it goes in, wow. Okay, it burns. It's like minty. Look, this thing, I don't know how everybody else has been doing it. Smells ridiculous. It's like when you're using the smell is not bad. It's not like something extremely strong. It's just like when you're using it's like when something have too much alcohol in it, and then but it's not alcohol. It's just like that's what it reminds me of. Like when you breathe it in, like strong. Oh Lord, I don't even have downtime from work, guys, and I'm doing this. Pray for me. I pray I don't start peeling when I actually have to be at work. Usually everybody peels within 3 days. So it's around 5 o'clock here. After 5. It's after 5 o'clock here. So I want to keep it on till the morning. Let me just confirm the time. It's 5:51 right now. Look, I feel the numbing. It just got numb out of nowhere. Okay, I feel lightheaded. Look, this thing is like minty, and it's just like how mint will go in your eye. It does feel that way. Like it's just, oh, okay, that burns a lot. That burns a lot. I don't like the feeling. Don't mind me. I'm opening the door because I'm gonna put like a layer. I don't like how strong the smell is. Okay, see that? Little frosting on like my acne spots. So I'm not putting it on that spot anymore. Not supposed to. Once you see a frosting anywhere, you don't put it again. So just work around it. so it doesn't really hurt like a TCA pill would. But you see, it's just certain spots that's like showing all that frosting thing, like some of the scar, not everywhere, so it's a little all over the place. So my face is numb at this point. Thank God for that. Make sure you're looking to make sure that the wherever spot you're reapplying on did not frost already. Give me a second. So my face is numb, completely numb. Everything is done, but a gauze sucks the whole thing out, so maybe I should have used my cotton balls, and they were sterile also. It's just that of like, which just sucks because I want to really put it over here again. Lord help me. I was so scared that it was too much, but it's really not, because I didn't even get to do as many layers as I would have loved to. It doesn't hurt, guys. It will burn at first, but the smell was stronger for me than the peel itself. The smell really was not my thing. Like, you feel attacked. You feel like you're being suffocated. I don't know. Everybody else seemed like they dealt with it well, but me, The smell, horrible. Like, it's just like that strong alcohol smell, but it's not alcohol. It's just... It's dry now for the most part, so that's why I'm putting it close to my eye. But be very careful. I'm not a dermatologist, guys. I did my own research, so make sure you do your own for what I want. It's not dripping anymore at all. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing now. So, and I made sure I did it in the bathroom just in case. Make sure you do it near. Oh, I should have definitely separated my gauze and stuff. There's so many of them. That's why my whole peel was just soaked away. But yeah, just be mindful that you can separate your gauze, because look, if you want to really enjoy, like get the best out of your peel. But yeah, I didn't really frost except for like certain dots, but nothing major. So part of me right now, I don't feel like I might get the best peel, but hey, we'll see. Everybody else peeled. I really want to put it on my chest, but it's dry now. There's really nothing. Let me leave my face so I don't irritate it. But yeah, so far, honestly, I don't feel like I even put enough on my face at all. This thing went bye-bye so fast. Like, that's the only good thing about this. You will not overuse it. If you're that type of person that get carried away, you will not overuse it because you're only getting enough. So yeah. Oh no, there was a hole in my glove. I guess the bottle. Oh, if it touched my finger, I'm gonna be upset. But yeah, that's it, guys. I don't feel like I put enough everywhere because I was so, oh well. But yeah, that's it for tonight. I applied it at 6:51, so I'm just gonna round that up to, look, it literally, I pull my glove and it breaks apart. That's how strong this, oh, I guess it was only that, but no, literally, gloves don't normally do this, okay? So use gloves, guys. But yeah, I applied it at 5:51. I'm gonna say 6 o'clock. So around 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. in the morning, it will be 6 hours. I'll come back and show you guys how my face is looking at 6 hours. If there's no irritation or anything like that, I'm gonna leave it on till the morning and start afresh with the towelettes and stuff. See you guys in a few.